Hi, my name is Kyle Kelly from Nordik Windows, and today I'll be showing you a quick tutorial on how to maintain your slider windows. So here's an easy way to take out a slider sash. So start by unlocking it, slide it to the center, so you lift up and slide out. So it's the same concept to remove the left sash. Simply slide to the center, pull it up and out. On this slider we have 3 drain holes located here. So these drain holes are to get the water and moisture out of the window. To remove your screen, it's the same as the sash. You simply want to slide to the center, lift up, and pull down. So these screens are spring loaded. To reinstall the screen is just as easy as removing. You simply start with the top, push up, slide it back, and in. So on the bottom of the sash, we have these rollers. These rollers make the sashes slide side to side. I recommend you lubricate these rollers twice a year. So once you've lubed and cleaned all of your window, to put back your sashes, what you need to do is start with the top, in, up, and down. Same thing goes for the second sash. Slide it up and lock it. Here at Nordik, we recommend this silicone-based lubricant. Make sure you do both tracks. I recommend you use this product at least twice a year, in the spring and in the fall.